Good afternoon, family, and welcome to the Hillside Homestead. It is a beautiful afternoon here. It is 56 degrees on this January afternoon here in where I live in Tennessee. The cold is coming back, but for today, we are enjoying this beautiful afternoon. The Bible says, the heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork. I just want to show you some of God's handiwork here on the Hillside Homestead. And that is my beehive. They are enjoying this warm afternoon. They have been stuck inside their little house. When it's cold, they do not come out. They do not venture out. But today they are out, the little ladies flying around, doing what they do best. I am so glad that God has kept them through the cold days and nights. And I am praying that he will continue to keep them so that in the springtime, we can be looking for some honeys. It is my purpose, my hope, to get some more beehives, and let them work also. So this was my test, and God is keeping them, and I am so grateful. I just wanted to share them with you, let you see how busy they are. Isn't that a wonderful sight? Well, for some people don't like bees. But remember, that's where your honey comes from the honeybees. So, again, from the Hillside Homestead, I want to thank you for joining me. If you like these videos, give them a thumbs up, and please subscribe. God bless you. We'll see you on the next time on the Hillside Homestead. Go out and be a blessing to someone else if you can today.